Hi there, this is Adam with Sakari. We're a bulk text messaging platform for business. I wanted to give you a quick demonstration on how other moving companies are using our software to send out bulk customized text messages to customers and employees and show you how easy it is to get started. Common use cases for text messaging in the moving industry are for appointment reminders, job assignments to your employees, post-move survey requests, and for marketing messages. Today I want to walk through an example where we're going to send out a batch of appointment reminders for tomorrow's jobs. I have the data here in Excel with my business name, the customer's first and last name, their mobile phone number, the appointment date and time, their address, as well as some job notes. This gives us all the information we need to create a personalized text message to each customer. This information can be sent to us using our API or through a file upload, which we'll walk through now. Coming back into the Sakari dashboard, using our message templates, we're able to create a personalized experience for each customer while still allowing you to manage your information in bulk. Here I've created an appointment reminder text message where we'll automatically insert the customer's first name, the appointment date, and the appointment time into each message. We're also going to include a rich text message page. And this is a page where we can add a lot of additional information to the appointment, and we'll take a look at that in a moment. I want to send our messages, so we'll go to Campaigns, and I've already created a saved campaign where we've saved all of the expected data fields as well as the templates that we like to use, and we can reuse this each day to send out our messages. In order to send our batch, I'll click this blue triangle to the right, and I'll upload our file. The system will automatically recognize the number of rows, and I can click Upload to queue the files. By clicking this reporting icon to the right, I can see that the messages are already starting to go out. And if I click on Outgoing, we can see each of the personalized messages to our customers. I've sent one of these to myself, and I've got my phone linked to the left, so let's take a look at that. Here we can see the message that was sent, where we've automatically added my name, as well as the appointment date and time, and the link to the rich text message page. This page allows you to include a lot more information than can fit in a single text message. Here we've branded it with the logo of the business, as well as its colors, and we've automatically included all of the customer's appointment information. You can also add images and maps, as well as call to action buttons. If I click the Confirm button, I can confirm my appointment, and this information will automatically get sent back to the Sakari system where I can view it in the system. I'll come back to the Sakari dashboard and go to Conversations. Here we've created an open conversation for all of our customers, and when they respond, the row will be highlighted in blue. If I expand Adam, I can see that he's confirmed his appointment, and if I'd like to respond on top of that, I can click this blue triangle and send my message, and in real time create a two-way conversation with my customer. I'd be glad to walk you through additional features of Sakari and give you a free trial. Feel free to reach out. Thank you very much.